Hello, Harris is here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problems and issues with your Airbnb app on the iOS. So first what you want to do is go up to the App Store, search bar, find your Airbnb app, right there. Take your Airbnb app and you need to see if there is the update. If there is the update bar is always on here where is the open, and if you update it like mine to the newest version and you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. First way is go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, take your Airbnb app, and you need to set all settings on Fabric like mine. Siri here, search, background app refresh, language is optional, and that should be it. But if you still got some issues and popping some bad settings, the last thing you should do is just go to the here, take your Airbnb app, remove app, uninstall, go back to the App Store and just reinstall. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.